Rosa Dinados from N12A. I present gains and authorized use of illegal access to computer system. For example, the Facebook, katulad ng ginawa ko kanina, in-access ko yung account ng may account. Yun.
I'm an app insider, employer of Promises Corporate.
I'm Lupito Tobio. I'm presenting the illegal access and use. The topic is Trojan horse, which is then that disguises itself as a useful application or game and purposefully does something the user does not expect. For example, there's a virus that will be undergo to your computer. And it will your computer, for example, worms. But okay.
Hi, I'm Elsar. I presented an app all about virus. Katulad ng ginawa ko kanina sa Google, parang sinisira ko siya, parang sa mga susunod na gagamit, parang hindi nila alam kung pa. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, magagawa nila ngayon. Virus is a computer program file capable of attaching disk or other files, replicating itself repeatedly. Yun lang. Thank you.
Okay, again, my name is John Gabriel Besa from N12A. And as you can see before, I already presented about worms. Worms is a parasitic computer programs that replicate but do not infect other computer program files. Ibig sabihin, ang worms ay isang parasites para sa computer, pero hindi siya virus. Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, ang virus nakakasira ng file, nakakasira ng system, and aside from that, yung virus, mas matindi siya kaysa worms. And ang worms naman, siya yung hindi siya nakaka-infect ng files, pero siya yung nagiging cause para gumagal ng computer. Ayun lang. Thank you.